here is Kenyatta National Hospital, privately. The spouse, the father of the children, family, and friends to the bio. We want to tell the members of public that today at 1:03 p.m. we have lost the bio. It is no longer a rumor, it is the truth. Betty was unwell since last week, and she was diagnosed with acute mild cancer, that is leukemia. But she was suffering from excess bleeding. The doctors tried to do their best. First, she was taken to AAR in Kemburo. She was later transferred here on Friday. The doctors have tried their best, but the will of God has prevailed. We are planning to move her body from Kenyatta National Hospital to KU referral and all the other communications and grief will come later. The life of our dear friend rest in peace and fear thee when it is thine. We loved you, but God loved you more. You have been a hero. You have inspired many. You sang to us in the hour. We all slept believing that it is 11th hour that God would reinstate your health. But God has done according to his will, and we respect the will of God. Fear thee well, our dear friend, and we love you so much.
Okay, certain.
Makanya also siku haha ni haraka abeti mashabiki ake familia yake hamwe na togonya afuri ya mwana na huko mwikura mtokoria witu betu sa oga nyuma nitu baile ndio kwa umuthi kulingana na mwenye ucio arabarite leukemia kuria makutengeria wiki ng'ima o kugeragio njĩra ciothe na mandagĩtarĩ maheni kiruma ona ting'ano cia andũ kwĩigĩrĩra nĩ tũrĩkĩtie Elizabeth atĩ kuuga rĩtwa rĩa Mwathani rĩrogocwo mashabiki make mũmĩrĩru bamĩrĩ mũmĩrĩru aini mũmĩrĩru arata mũmĩrĩru tũgĩũka Kenyatta thaa ici na tũrenda tũcemanie kũrĩa KU referral kũrĩa kũiga mwĩrĩ wake mĩbango ĩngĩ o yothe nĩtũkũmũmenyithia thutha-inĩ. Nĩ moi mũrata witũ Betty ndiũkorwo ũkwende.
Start now.